Ensuite, ton shaker, une fois que tu as tout mis la glace ici et que tu as bien secoué, et tu double filtres ça dans ton verre.
Perfect. Hello and welcome to another episode of Mixology with Marcus. And now that I've had it fully explained to me by Marina, we are going to make a French Martini for the first time. Now, normally made with vodka, this is our Pickering's take on it, which is Pickering's Raspberry and Mint Gin. Delicious, just with ice. However, we're going to make it a bit more Valentine's-y. So we're going to go for a double measure of Pickering's Gin, single measure of Chambord, 3 single measures, or a double and a single, let's do a double and a single, of pineapple juice. So Blue Peter having everything underneath. Now we'll put loads of ice in, make it super cold really quickly. Now that dry January's over, it's basically summer. Oh man, oh, I did it. Now look at this. So the pineapple juice gives you really nice foamy bits. Look at that. That looks good. That's kind of like the stuff you buy in a bar. Here we are. Delicious. And now you can garnish with some raspberries. They're floating. It's good. Bit of Valentine's flair. Oh, okay. Like that. You know, chuck some petals around. Perfect. Ta-da! Quick before my raspberries sink.
You want to try?
Okay. Oh, that is good. Yeah, very nice. Can imagine myself on a beach with one of those.